Yeah.
You do the back of the case too.
Oh, well, this isn't a still picture. This is just a video. I did download your pictures and my pictures, so I do have
How are you
this.
going to send it to them?
You have to print them off, it seems like. They want us to mail them.
Just some regular paper though.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess we could do that. Actually, I have small picture photography paper
Oh, okay.
for that big printer.
No, I don't want to use that expensive paper
So, the wainscot is finished, actually. All the boxes, a lot of the boxes are in here, and the storage room. We also still have, oh, who put that up there? That's not very good. I should take that down. We still have paint left. The bookshelves we've got started. Haven't unpacked all the books yet, obviously. The TV Donna picked out is there and works fine. The clothes rack is back in, although it's very strange. He doesn't have it actually reaching the edge on either side. It's all supported by the two supports, which doesn't seem very smart, but we'll see. Bathroom is all set. This is where all the boxes, for the most part, are still all stacked in here. So we have to get all these out, unpacked yet.